Okay, GPS tracker trade-in program. Lorry truck existing GPS tracker. So 2G small tracker upgrade to 4G GPSINA X1, a new tracker. This is new GPS tracker. You can trade in by any program, any GPS tracker, any brand. So sample is the same brand. 2G, you have to remove it. So 这个是一个 trade in 的 system 来的 ，trade in 的 program， 你可以升级从 2G 的原有最基本的 standard GPS tracker， 这个是最 standard 最普通的，基本使用的，或者是你要升级去 4G upgrade to 4G GPS tracker。 Okay, depend on your car model. Some can connect to the oil card and some can connect to the car starter. So for Lorry, we connect to the car starter. After install, okay, you have to download a GPSINA app. Open. Okay, ACC off. So now it show ACC off. Okay, click plus, key in a vehicle and key in a registration, the GPS tracker register number, tracker ID. OK， 这个你下载了 GPSINA APP 过后，你输入你的 tracker 号码 ，tracker 号码过后，这个它就会显示啊，这个是 connect to Google Maps locate your car location 啊，这个是 Google Maps 的实际的 actual view。OK， now start engine， 这里会显示 ACC on，start engine。ACC on, ACC notification. Okay. So for car starter, so we set on oil cut. Some of the car model can set for oil cut. Some of the car model or lorry set for the car starter. So this car model we set for car starter. Okay, now I turn on, agree. Have to key in a security pin, a 6-digit security pin. Okay, more. Okay, oil cut. Starter cut already turned on. Okay, now engine off. Okay, start again. Cannot start engine anymore. Cannot start. Okay, now I turn off for the car starter or turn off oil cut. Okay, enter again a security pin. The security pin you set yourself, 6-digit. Okay, off already. Now start engine. So this is car starter. Okay, so this is upgrade trade-in version, trade-in program from any GPS tracker. You upgrade to the GPSINA X1 or M5S tracker. 啊，这个是一个升级的 program 啊，从 2G 的最普通的 standard 的 GPS tracker。你可以升级换去4G 的 这个是4G GPSINA X1 Program X1 Tracker 啊，它可以选择你要看车子的 model 啦，有一些是可以选择使用你加一个 plug and play 的 socket， 可以选择去 oil cut。有像这一辆是罗里的话，它是连接去 cut starter， 所以在这边你一个 oil cut 的，你要按 on 的时候，就是 cut starter 同样的设定。OK， 你要 key in 你自己设定的那个 security pin， 这个有6个 pin 号码，你 set 了过后 turn on 了，你就不能够启动了的啦。这辆罗里 ，OK， 这个就是一个升级的 program for GPSINA trade-in program， upgrade your GPS tracker， protect your car safety。Installed by OneBiz and video by Andy。Installed by OneBiz. Our location in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong, opposite Taming Jaya Petronas. A big empty space, parking space. Lorry, food truck, bus, all can fix here. Thank you.